Hi, welcome to my channel Online IT Tutorials. Today I will show you how you can make a short so that you can gain more subscriber, viewers, or if you are a marketer, it's very beneficial for you, or if you are an influencer, it is very gonna make your life change. So let's start, but before starting I would like you to subscribe my channel and like this video so that I can keep up the good work and bring more and more videos for you. So without wasting any time, I just start. Okay, first what I do in this tutorial, I will tell you how you can make a short without using your voice, without using your camera, and within 10 minutes. So first I open a website called invideo.io. Okay, here we will use this tool to make the video, and second tab we open we now try to choose the topic on which we are going to make our short. Let's suppose I choose the top 5 best water parks in the world. So before going further, I just check how much the viewership for this topic and how much people used to search this topic. For this I use a tool called trends.google.com. Here I will search like 5 best water parks, like this. I search this topic and then I select worldwide, because I have to check this. I am making this short for the world. So what I check, so this is the like graph with the passage of time, like in 30th June 2022 it was like that, then in May 9 it is going further. If I want to check, it is for the last 5 years, like come to know that how the graph is moving for this topic, or just I just make some changes in my topic, top best water parks, something like that. Then I check what's the, it's also good, but we can optimize our topic so that more and more views come to our topic, so that like best water parks. So it is quite good, because with the passage of time the graph becomes up and down, up and down. So we can choose this topic because it's a little bit, and now again it is moving further, because after due to summertime it will move further. So we just select this topic, and one more thing we can do, we just go to youtube.com and we can check how people are getting views on this topic. So I just search for you like water parks, like this, and I search for shorts. Here you will see there are so many topics, like see, you can see slide in water park, it is 8.1 million views in 10 months, which is quite good. So similarly it is getting 4.3 views, 670k views regarding water park, Vista water park 2.6 and 5.8 views, so that we can like we have chosen the right topic. Okay, so what we do, just we search for like 7 best water parks in the world, like this. So in the first search result I can see so many good water parks over here. So before this I move further, I just select this topic, second link. Then I come to know regarding these good parks in the world. So what I do, I just go to my software invideo.io, because we are gonna make video short for on this tool. What I do, I just select text to video. I think the internet speed is not quite well. Anyway, I move further, then I select vertical 9 or colon 16, because it is I am making short, so it is better that we select these settings. Select this, then you can see there are some templates which are being loaded. We will select some template based on these criteria. Because net speed is not going good, I think so, but for example some of we select already came. For example, I just select this template, or better I select this template. This is more better. Actually internet speed is little bit slow, so that's why the results are coming very slow. I just connect and reconnect. Okay. So now see, I have selected this template. Now I select use this template. Just select the template, and what I do right now, I just select the topics from here, like I just select number 1, World Water Park, Alberta, Canada, and then I select, then I write this on my software. Here it is. I put the headline, like for example 7 best water parks in the world, and I then select the topic like this, Alberta, and secondly what I select is aquatic Florida. You can choose anything, any topic, and based on that you can make a short. For right now I am making the short on this topic, so that you can understand how you can make. And I select this one, Spain, see, and then I select into my topic like this. Then I move further, then I move like this, Dubai. This is Dubai water park, and I select this. After this I select Indonesia water park. I select this, and then I came over here, Disney Florida. I select from here, and then I select the seventh one, which is also is Yas water park, which is UAE. Okay, so that now I have put all the topics for my video, for my short, and then we move further. I just select the next. It is now making my short. With this software I can make a short. It is also this software is also paid version, with paid and without paid version. So I am right now using the free version. You can, if you are a YouTuber or influencer, you can like buy this software, and you can buy this software and you can make short within no time. So what I do, I have already, the video is being created, then this is the topic I already told, and now see this is already ready. These are our topics which are included in this short, and if I want to see how this software has made my short, you can see these are the like images which he has selected by his own, and these are the headings. You can see, you can change these headings, you can change the pictures as well, you can add scenes as well, and then you can see this is the short which has already been created for us, and you can check preview for all like this. It will show you the short which you can download it like this. Okay, it will show you the short, and once it is you are satisfied with the result, you can just close it and you can go to this download option, and from here you just select the 720 pixel default, and then you just select the export. It is now exporting so that you can download in your machine, and once you download it, you can upload it into Reels, Instagram Reels, you can upload it into TikTok, you can upload it in the YouTube Shorts as well. So I hope you people have liked this video, and but before going, I would like you to request once more time that please like and subscribe my channel, so that I can keep the good work and bringing more and more videos for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.